Good morning, I'm Mike with Infinity Water Sports. What we have here is a 2010 Bennington. It's been a great boat. It's lovely, it's got a great layout. It's one of my personal favorites. It's showing its age, and where it's showing its age is with this old carpet on here. It's got just wear and tear, it's got mildew. What we're gonna do is strip the boat down. We're gonna tear out all the old carpet and replace it with some fantastic new product, which is made by G-Floor. It's slip resistant, weather resistant, it's antimicrobial. It is just fantastic stuff, and it's tough as nails. So we're gonna tear the boat totally down, remove everything, put the new flooring down, and just be wowed at what we have. So here we are, the boat's in the water, it's looking great. We took off the old carpet, we put in the fantastic G-Floor. We're ready for the great summer ahead. So good luck with your project. Take a look at this. If this doesn't inspire you, then nothing will. Good luck with it.